So how you want to do this? We gonna keep? Don't cut me off. You always trying to get the last word. I noticed that about you. Yes, you do. You're doing it now. Okay, you think because you do it longer, that's gonna make me be quiet? It's not what you say, it's how you say it. Okay, well just calm your tone. Don't call me names. I said don't call me names. Ooh. Go to sleep because you sleepy and you tripping. You sleepy and you tripping, like I said. My point exactly. If you let it go, I'm gonna let it go. All right, we good then.